What's going on, everyone? This is Dom. Happy Black Friday, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get a Google Home Mini for 99 cents. Yes, you did not hear that wrong. Less than $1, you can get yourself a Google Home Mini, and a big shout out to my buddy New Funk on Twitter. You can catch his link in the description for turning me on to this deal. But I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it's pretty simple. So I'll leave a link to everything that you need to know on how to complete this process in the description. But what you wanna do here first is actually sign up for a Spotify premium trial, and that's only gonna cost you 99 cents for 3 months, and it'll only work if you haven't had a trial of this before. So go ahead and click on Get Premium. We're gonna go ahead and create an account and just enter in your information. All right, so once you've made an account here, you can actually go ahead and enter your card number. It says that it's $9.99 after the first 3 months for 99 cents. So we're gonna go ahead and type in my card number here and get that going. So you're gonna wanna click on the Start My Spotify Premium link, and we'll be redirected to another page here, and then we can continue on to the next step in this process. So what we wanna do next here is actually upgrade to the family plan for Spotify Premium, and you get a Google Home Mini with the premium for family plan. So we actually wanna upgrade to that. We're gonna go ahead and click Get Started here, and it's gonna say it's gonna cost $14.99, but you will not be charged for this. Once again, I know it says $14.99 there, but don't worry, you're not gonna be charged for this. Just go ahead and click on the Start My Premium for Family, and we will continue on to claiming the Google Home Mini. Finally, you're clicking a link that will allow you to claim your Google Home Mini, and as you can see here, we are on the main page. Coral is out of stock, but we have charcoal and chalk available. I'm just gonna go with charcoal. We're gonna add that to the cart, and once we're in the cart here, as you can see, it says subtotal $49. But when we go to checkout here, it's actually gonna drop that price for us all the way down to free 50. $0 due right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my shipping information and get this Google Home Mini. So if we just click Confirm Purchase, you'll be able to see on the next page, I just picked up a Google Home Mini for $0, like literally $0 on the dot. So you can see here, we even have a delivered by December 18th to the 20th. So it's actually gonna come before Christmas if you do this now and get going on this thing. Now, one thing you do wanna do though after this is you wanna make sure that you disable auto renew for these trials that you've signed up for, because if you don't, you're gonna be charged for them, and we don't want that to happen. So what you wanna do here is you wanna click the next link that's detailed in the description at that website, and you wanna click change or cancel here, and then we're gonna go ahead and actually cancel Premium right here at the top. You're pretty much all good to go. I mean, you don't have to worry about being charged for this, and you just got a Google Home Mini for $1, so pretty cool. So basically that's how it works, and I have a Google Home Mini for free. I paid 99 cents for a Spotify trial that actually ends mid-January, so that's pretty cool too in case you wanna give Spotify a try. And you're all good to go. I mean, this is like kind of some magic, I guess. Big shout out to everybody involved that put this whole thing together on the website with the tutorial. I know the website looks a little iffy, but it's totally legit. This whole thing is legit. I don't know, let me know if you pick one up in the comments section below. Go ahead and share this video with your friends and family in case they want to get an awesome deal on a Google Home Mini as well. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this one. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and hit the notification bell so you're the first to be notified when cool videos like this drop. Leave this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.